Om Jai Guru, my dear student. Today we will discuss grammar noun phrase. Noun phrase. So before going to noun phrase, first of all we discuss what phrase is. Phrase means phrase. It means a group of words. A group of words. A group of words that is called phrase. So here the name of the topic is noun phrase. That means a group of words. A group of words. A group of words along with a head noun. Along with a head noun. This is called noun phrase. A group of words along with a head noun is called noun phrase. So that's the discussion things in this chapter. Ei jinsh guraka ame discussion kariba noun phrase chapter. Here I am writing one sentence. All the four very old science colleges. All the four very old science colleges. So all the four very old science colleges. Is it a sentence or a phrase? It is not a sentence. Why it is not a sentence? Because it has no finite verb. Because sentence we should have a finite verb in the word phrase. So it's a phrase because there is no verb. So what sort of phrase it is? It is a noun phrase. So now our question is what all these parts. That means what each word refers in the noun phrase. Because we have discussed a group of words along with a head noun. It's called noun phrase. So we will define why all sorts of words, all, the, for, very, old, science, then colleges. So this is the head noun. In this noun phrase, this is the head noun. This underlined word is the head noun. And all other words come before the head noun. So what is all other words are used for? Here all is called predeterminer. All is called predeterminer. Then the is called determiner. Determiner. For is called cardinal. Then very is called intensifier. Old is adjective. Then science is classifier. And college is the head noun. So these all parts include the noun phrase in which the head word is the college or the head noun is the college. So here all is predeterminer, the is determiner, for is cardinal, very intensifier, old adjective, science classifier, college head noun. So here one thing is science is a noun. Science is a noun. But this science word defines colleges. That's why it is called an adjective. But it's a noun, so it is called classifier. So from this we have concluded one thing, that when a noun is used as an adjective, it is called classifier. It is called classifier. So here we conclude, when a noun is used as an adjective in a noun phrase, it is called classifier. Now come to all these things. Predeterminer, determiner, for, very. Is all the four. These three things are all called determiner. These three things are called determiner. या को टोटल कह जाए determiner. ताले एठी रहला हमर गोटे प्री डिटरमाइनर दी आसला डिटरमाइनर ताले आकु बुझिया गले हमको फास्ट डिटरमाइनर को जिबा पड़ियो डिटरमाइनर कोन हमको जानिया पड़ियो ताले डिटरमाइनर कोन हमें फास्ट डिस्कशन करिबा व्हाट इज डिटरमाइनर डिटरमाइनर नेम मींस डिटेक्ट चिन्हमुतिबा जणाउतिबा जिंस जोटा आसीबो सेटा आछि डिटरमाइनर ताले हमर केते प्रकार डिटरमाइनर रहिछि सेटा हमें नाउन फ्रेज रे क्लियर होबा पूर्व आगो डिटरमाइनर कोन हमें जानिबा दरकार देयर आर 7 टाइप्स ऑफ डिटरमाइनर्स फर्स्ट आर्टिकल determiners first articles a and then the then demonstrative this that these those this is demonstrative then quantifier much many little a little few a few etc then number this is defined as two types cardinal and ordinal so what is cardinal means count numbers for example 1 2 3 etc then ordinal is the expression like first second third etc so this is ordinal so here we discuss 4 types of determiner that is article a and d demonstrative this that these those quantifier much many little a little few a few enough there are so many quantifiers that's why I have written etc number number is defined as a two types that is cardinal and ordinal so cardinal is the count number that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like this then ordinal first second third fourth fifth sixth is जोड़ा का मैं यूज करे एडा कहूची ordinal then another 3 categories of determiners are possessive it is defined also two types that is nominal and prenominal then distributive is either neither etc this is distributive then WH determiner what which and whose so these three are the WH determiner so like all 7 are called comes under the determiner so before reading noun phrase we should have the knowledge about determiner now we conclude what determiners are so here what is nominal phrase that means apostrophe s just example for example Ramos Harish etc then prenominal mine your his her etc these are called prenominal possessive then distributive each either neither every etc WH determiner what which whose these are called WH determiner so now we have an idea about what determiner is then go to the noun phrase topic because our topic is a noun phrase here I have written all the first four very big science colleges. So this is what a noun phrase. All the first four very big science colleges. So now we can define it. So all is the predeterminer. Then D, we know article determiner. It's called article determiner. Then first is the ordinal determiner. Then 4 is the cardinal determiner. Then very is the intensifier. B is the adjective. Then science classifier. College is the head noun. So all these parts are in the noun phrase. Now we conclude that what are the things is in a noun phrase. First comes predeterminer, then article determiner, then ordinal determiner, then cardinal determiner, very intensifier, big adjective, science classifier, then college, yes, is the head noun. So all these parts make the noun phrase. And noun phrase always comes in such order. So before concluding, we would see the order of the noun phrase. What is the order of the noun phrase? So before going to order, I define it. What is intensifier? When an adjective is defined, when an adjective is intensified by an adverb or any word, that is called intensifier. So what are the orders of the noun phrase? Predeterminer plus determiner plus determiner here article or possessive comes in a noun phrase. Possessive comes in noun phrase. Then ordinal, then cardinal, then intensifier plus adjective plus classifier plus head noun. So all these parts, the noun phrase comes in such order. We cannot change the order. If we make change order, the phrase will be wrong. So we always keep the noun phrase in such order. No matter whether anything will be omitted, but we should maintain the order of the noun phrase. First predeterminer, then determiner. Determiner may be in these two categories, article or possessive categories. Then ordinal, that I already told you, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Then cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then intensifier, that means that intensify the adjectives, that describe the adjective, define the adjective. Then adjective, then classifier, then head noun. We have already discussed what classifier is. When a noun plays the role of an adjective, that is called classifier, then head noun. So from these activities, from this discussion, we conclude that in a noun phrase, the head noun always comes at the end of the phrase. The head noun is always comes at the end of the phrase, and the phrase starts with the predeterminer. That means like this each, every, all, is like noun phrase. That's all for noun phrase. I hope you all will understand. And if any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box or in my personal phone number.